Hey folks, Nate from Sloan Toyota. So man, I haven't did a video in a while, but I did want to let folks know that right now I have this brand new 2026 RAV4 XSE in Storm Cloud with a midnight black top, black wheels, and charcoal interior. All right. So guys, this is one of my favorite trims in this vehicle here. Of course, I love sporty vehicles. I love sporty looking vehicles. You know, I'm not really into luxury that much. You know, I like something that looks aggressive. This looks really aggressive here. And this is the color. You know, this color is very popular. It's one of our most popular colors that we cannot keep on our lots here. All right. So this particular model, like I said, it has the 20-inch black wheels. As you can see, they nice looking. You know, it has passive door handles. All right. Also, it has the push button start, as you know. And look at these rear lights, guys. So they went LED. They went all LED for the rear lights. For the 2026 RAV4, and that's on all grades as well. Okay. Now, what I like about this vehicle here, it still kept the cargo room there. So all you gotta do is kick your feet under that little bumper there, and you know the real tailgate will rise. All right. Now that's not on all trims, but I know it's standard on the XSE. Okay. Now what you see in the back here is all-weather cargo tray cover. It covers the whole trunk and also the back of the seats. The seats do fold down 60/40 split. In this box here, if you see there, that's going to be the all-weather floor mats. So, you know, Toyota love to send their vehicles already with all-weather floor mats. So the good thing about that, you don't have to go after market looking for all-weather floor mats. You get the ones that fit the vehicle just right. You know, the ones that's made actually for this vehicle. All right. Now, Toyota still got the famous locking gas cap. Okay. All right. Now, getting into the rear here, there you go. So the driver's seat is all the way back to where I need it. Of course, I got long legs, okay? But just getting in the vehicle, like I said, you can get in fairly easy. So that's the view you'll get from the rear. Now, they do come standard with a moon roof, all right, and then the panoramic roof is optional, all right? So that's that new dash there. So they did a pretty good job. I like that. They have a digital cluster for the gauges, and also that big touch screen there. And also you got, you know, chargers in the back here along with the vents. Okay. So, you know, the vehicle has been updated substantially, and just looking at just the soft tech seats along with this suede inserts, you know, I do like that there. You know, I like the suede seats. I had them in my car. They do hold you in place pretty well. Very comfortable. All right. So again, walking around the vehicle, since it's such a beautiful vehicle, give you a closer look at that new, what they call hammerhead shark look. All right. So that's what Toyota is doing to all their corporate vehicles now, giving them that hammerhead shark look. So that's that corporate face that Toyota is using right now. Okay. All right. They were using that face going forward for a while now. Okay. Now, looking at the passenger area, please don't mind the little cardboard little insert there. You got power seats there for the passenger. All right. You know, see how the suede seats are. Things are wipe right out of that. All right. You got the soft tech seats with the suede inserts as well. All right. And I'm gonna go over there and tell you about that whole center console. You know, when I go over the driver stuff. Okay. All right. So you know that's that there. So again, looking at this vehicle, guys, like I said, this model is available. If you are in the market, please give me a call, 215-376-8285. The vehicle will be available. It's available for right now, so it's first come, first serve. All right. I cannot you cannot call up and be like, hey, listen, I want to put some money on the car. You know, can you hold it for me? No, it's first come, first serve, guys. So, very beautiful vehicle here. You know, and again, it is available right now for, out the door price, cash, finance, and lease. All right. So getting into the driver's side here, again, you're going to have those memory seats. Got your driver's side controls here. So then you get the lumbar support with the power seats here for the driver's side. Okay. All right. Now just getting into the vehicle, here, you'll see that nice digital gauge cluster there. All right. And then now it is switched to dark now because the screen automatically goes to dark mode and light mode during the daytime and nighttime. All right. So you got that nice, big screen here. Like I said, now, you got to subscribe to get, everything working and stuff like that, hook up a phone, things of that nature, go through your options and stuff like that. So it's a nice, cool little screen there. Like I said, you can activate your heated seats there. You can turn them down and up. You also got cooled seats as well, and then you can put it on auto. So the good thing about the auto, it could go between cool and hot at the same time. You could do the same thing for the heated steering wheel. You can put that on auto if you like. Turn that all the way down, turn it off or back on. You can put it on, or you could choose to have it like that there. You could control all your HVAC controls from there, your fan controls and things of that nature. It's all done there on this touchscreen. All right, there you go. The vehicle just start up because, I'm playing around with it and has, charge. So it's a hybrid, guys. So all the new RAV4s are hybrid only, okay? Now, also up here, you have this nice little neat wireless phone charger up there. You just slide your phone up there. The vehicle does include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. All right, guys, here there's a view button right here, which is pretty cool. Basically it just show you what's around you before you take off, and things of that nature. So, it's pretty cool. I like that screen there. Also, you got hill to sync control and things of that nature. You got this nice little cool center console here. So you can open from this side, okay? And then you could go from the other side too. Just like that there. So pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, I don't know how they did that, but somehow they did it. So, and then some of these features, if you already own a RAV4 or, own a Toyota, some of these features was, seem familiar to you. All right. Now it's trying to pick up my name and trying to pick up my voice.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Yeah. And it's like, so don't worry about that, guys. It's trying to pick up my voice because I'm in the car talking. All right. So what I like about this, even with the moonroof, you got the sunglass holder there. It used to be a time where you got the moonroof, you didn't get the sunglass holder, because it didn't allow for you to, to get it. Now, like I said, you got an auto dimming mirror here, along with the, garage controls there as well. So guys, there's a lot of tech in this vehicle. I like to go over everything with you, but there's a lot of tech there. So if you got this little screen here, looking at you see those two little dots there. Now, with your naked eye, you will not be able to see those two dots, but you can see it light up on the phone. That's pretty neat. What that's there for, basically, while you're driving, if you're not keeping your eyes on the road, it's going to yell at you. It's going to beep at you. You got to keep 2 hands on the steering wheel. You could turn that off, though. You don't have to have that on. It could be annoying. You see, it keeps going on or off because I keep moving around, and I keep moving my head. So it's trying to detect my eyes and everything, and it's not detecting my eyes because the phone is in the way. So now it's lighting up. So if I start driving the car, it's going to start yelling at me. It's a little annoying. Like I said, that's the only annoying feature, but you could turn that on and off. Novice drivers would probably love it. Okay. All right, so guys, this is just like, the short little review on the RAV4 XSE I do have here. Again, the color is Storm Cloud. All right, it has a midnight black roof and 20-inch black wheels and a black interior. All right, so if you're in the market, please give me a call, 215-376-8285. If you know somebody in the market, send them to me, and I will send you a $300 referral check if they purchase this vehicle with me and mention your name. All right, guys, thanks again. Nate Wiley, Sloan Toyota of Glenside.